sets with 2 minutes rest, max reps. I'm going to start out on the left arm because that is my off arm. And let's get it. We'll talk about more later on. You know, one of the things I like about these is there's like an anger factor to them. It's one of those exercises that you got to do it and you got to be like, yeah, get off me, man. That's the way you got to do these. So, with that said, 2 minutes, and I'll see you again. That was a fast 2 minutes. Okay, we're going to rip off into the second one of these, and you'll probably notice, at least for me, I know, when I go to do my first set of these things all the time, the level of cracking the back will do is like crazy. It's definitely a core exercise with it too. Anyways, we're going to get it. Oh, those guys are always good. All right, I'm going to see you in 2 minutes. This is the last one of these. Now, if you can't get single arm push-ups yet, you can work on building them up by going off of your knees to do it, or you can also have your hand on something elevated. Or I know I had done one short video, one of my shorts is me showing, responding to a comment where I'm showing how you could also do it against the stairs, where you are standing up against the stairs and you're doing it, and then you can, as you get stronger, come down steps until finally you're able to do it off the floor. So those are two ways to scale this thing or to build up to being able to do the single arm push-up. With that said, I'm going to get my last set.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
Oh, man. Okay, we are on to the next thing, and I will see you in 2 minutes. Yeah, you know what it is. 2 sets of dips, max reps. We're doing 1.5 minutes rest in between those guys, and we're staying on the chest. That's what we're going to do. So, this is a versatile piece of equipment.
Chasing stars and hope.
All right, fun fact on these guys. If you pull your feet up and you go at more of an angle, you will hit more of your pecs. If you have your legs hanging down straighter, where you're going more straight up and down, you will hit more triceps. And you'll feel it. That's what they say, and that's what it feels like. It's a wonderful thing. All right. See you guys in 1.5 minutes. We are 1.5 minutes later. Gonna hit the last set of these. Maxing it out, getting them. Whew. 1.5 minutes is not a long rest.
I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Sometimes it's good to get them little flexes in there. Get them in. Okay. I will see you in 1.5 minutes. We're going to be switching over to some back work. Cruising right along on this old workout. We are about to start hitting the shoulders and traps. We're going to nail these things with a superset together here. We're going to hit shoulder presses, double bag stick, with immediately going into the narrower grip upright rows. And the reason for the narrower grip upright rows is, if you guys saw the video where I did the photo shoot at the end, my traps need some work. So I'm going to put a little more emphasis and focus on that, which narrower grip on upright rows hits more of the trap, where the wider grip hits more of the outer delt. So it's going to be pressing to narrow grip, max rep, 2 minutes rest in between. Time to get it rolling. Whew, man. Whew, that guy was rough. Rough. All right, see you in 2 minutes. We are going to be hitting set number 2 of this with no delay on it.
On top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky.
Just don't have energy today, man. Oh boy. All right. I'm going to see you guys in 2 minutes. If you're new to the channel, the reason for the different directions is so that way, because the bags are never going to be perfectly even. It's not like iron. So, which is one of the benefits to it too. That little bit of wiggliness and the fact that it's always going to be a little bit uneven causes a lot more core and stabilizer muscles to get into play. So that's the bang, not the buck. But at the same time, in order to keep it basically even for yourself, you want to go opposite sides, opposite directions every time. When you're dealing with like a 2-bag thing, or even if it's not on a stick, just to keep it so it's always switching. You know, that's it. All right, on to this hit. Woo, baby. On to the next shit. It's a big sack I got, isn't it? All right. We are hitting 3 sets of single bag weighted pull-ups. Max reps, 1.5 minute rest in between. Time to get on that bag. Let's get it. Whew. Yeah. About to rip off into set number 2. You know, I wonder if this is what those dudes with elephantitis feel like. I met one of those guys one time. And, well, this is a little bit of an off story. And of course, it's a Fulton County story. Buddy was mental health to death. And I was down in this infirmary area, and his cell was like 2 cells over on the corner. And he was one of those dudes that's always like slinging shit and just being a total idiot. I guess, I mean, hell, the guy's walking around with a set of nuts like this. that can't be good. I mean, that's got to be pretty frustrating to get to you at times. But, you know, it's one of those things, like, sometimes you see things, you just can't unsee them. And Buddy just walked around, like, slinging them things out on everybody. Arrgh! Total nutcase. But anyways, there's another good Fulton County story for you. So, with that said, and I bought myself some more rest time. I don't know, sometimes my little rant and raves might be a little off course, but hey, we're going to get it. Set number 2 here. I got some extra rest. Gonna make it a good one. See you guys in a second here. Well, let me hit this. Let me hit it. I'm losing it. Sorry. Whew. That was a pretty damn good set. All right. I'll see you guys in a minute and a half. Last set. We're not wasting any time on this one. We're getting straight to it. Got a little funky on that one. All right. I will see you guys with the next exercise in a minute and a half to get there. Then it's going to be one with 2 minutes rest in between. Much nicer. See you guys there. Of course, sunlight is not cooperating right at this moment, but the workout's the workout, so I'm going to keep cruising. It's only 2 sets of this. It is 2 sets of double bag single arm rows, and I'm going to be holding on to old trusty over here and pulling them straight up and getting it. Max reps, 2 minutes rest in between these guys, and then we're on to something else. Hopefully the sun will be a better situation for it. Either way, let's get rolling. Yeah! Fuck yeah, man. Okay, 2 minutes. I'll see you guys in 2. And this time, I'm not going to start on the left side. I'm going to flip-flop. I'm going to start on the right side and even it out that way. So, because these are, it's not like with the legs. The legs, I always like to start with the weaker side. Upper body, I know I hadn't been doing it all the time, but it's better to just kind of flip-flop which way you're starting. So, you start one with the left arm, start the next side with the right arm. Other side won't get as much rest, but it gets the fresh hit on the exercise. So, with that said, I'll see you guys in 2 minutes. All right, we're getting straight after it. Ooh. Sometimes you just gotta get a little crazy with this stuff. All right. In fact, hey, I got some points for you if you know this one. Throw it in the comments if you know what book this came from. In the accompaniment of madmen, you have to train like a psycho, like a maniac. I fucked that all up. Sorry about that. Blood's not working. It's in the accompaniment of madmen. You must train like a maniac. That's it. That's definitely it. So with that said, if you know it, throw it in the comments. Don't cheat. Don't be that guy or girl or whatever. You know what I mean. All right. See you guys. Oh, these hammies are sore still from yesterday. Man, oh man. Okay. The light is cooperating with us. What we're going to hit now is 3 sets, and we're almost done. 3 sets of double bag single arm shrugs. And you guys saw the shrugs are looking a little so I'm putting more emphasis on it. I'm going to have a minute rest in between each one of these sets. As in like 1, 2, rest. 1, 2, rest. Like that. Okay. So with that said, let me get this thing rolling.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down.
Whew. 1 minute, which is not a lot of time. I will see you then. Number 2.
What's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
All right. 1 more set. See you in a minute. The 1 minute's up. We are so close to being done. Gonna hit it and let's go. Starting on this side.
Get on board.
Boy. All right. All right, guys. Tell me. Do they look bigger? Do they? What about this view? Are they bigger? All right, fine. Fine, don't tell me. I'm going to see you guys with the last thing. I'm just going to keep hopes alive. Them and these guys. One of these days, I'm going to figure it out. All right. Final thing, 30 as fast as you can get them done, knees to elbows. That's the mission. You guys ever hear that song? No, you're never gonna survive unless you get a little crazy now. That's what we're about to do. We're about to get this.
On top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Woo! Whew. Done, finished, finita is over. I will see you guys. What is it? Day off. And then we're back on for that 3-day stretch. Oh, baby. Hey, if you're liking it and you're enjoying it, subscribe. I'll figure out a way to put the whole thing together easier for you to be able to, at the end of the whole thing, I'll put a nice, concise breakdown of the whole thing together. You're going to get results. All right. See you guys in the next one. Peace, love, enjoy, all that good stuff. Oh, yeah, subscribe. Bye-bye.